In the stillness of the morning, breathe deeply. Let peace envelop your being. Feel the connection to the energy of the universe, which flows within you. Today, dive into the journey of co-creating financial prosperity. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our meditations and tips for an abundant financial life. Ready to get started? Visualize your dreams as rays of bright light, dancing around you. Every thought is a seed, every action is a step towards abundance. Cultivate gratitude for all that you already have. This is the fertile ground where your desires will germinate. Open your arms to receive. Allow the flow of abundance into your life. Believe in the power of your intention. Its worthiness is unquestionable, its capacity to manifest is infinite. Be open to receive and to give. Generosity is a source of prosperity. Share what you have, confident that the universe will reciprocate by multiplying. In the compass of the day, make decisions that align with your vision of prosperity. Be firm in your determination, but flexible in the face of change. Adaptation is the key to flowing with the rhythms of life. In the evening, before you fall asleep, give thanks again. Reflect on your actions for the day, celebrating each step toward abundance. Let your dreams be whispered to the universe, confident that they are manifesting. And now, I invite you to join us on the Wealth and Prosperity channel, where we explore the secrets of abundance together. Sign up to continue this journey of co-creating prosperity. Together, we will walk the path to a life of fulfillment and fulfillment. May each breath be a gentle reminder of the power that resides within you to co-create financial prosperity. Its potential is vast, its possibilities are endless. Trust the process and let the magic happen. Peace and prosperity.